Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the clear mode on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. And I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. Clear mode allows you to clear all the display on screen, which makes it easier to watch the video without any distraction. So information like the profile photo, likes, comments, favorites, share, sound, and the caption will be removed from the screen. This is great if you're watching a long instructional video and you would like to see the whole screen without any distraction. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, before we begin, update your TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by going into the Play Store or your App Store and updating it there. Once updated, go ahead and open the TikTok app. Now go to a video where you want to enable the clear mode. Hold and press on the video and you should see this menu appear. Then find clear mode and tap on it. All the on-screen button and captions will be removed. Now you can watch your video without any distractions. If you want to exit clear mode, just tap on the crossroad icon at the bottom right of the screen. This will return all the on-screen buttons and captions. There are some plus points and negative points with this new feature. The plus point is that you can see the video without any distractions and the video looks really clean. However, the negative point is that anyone can take a screenshot or screen record your video easily on the TikTok app. And that is how to use the clear mode on TikTok. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.